Question number 8 is written, a trader prepared their trial balance which showed the debit column total of $45,000 and the credit column total of $40,000. Okay, then below it is written, the following errors were then discovered. These three errors are given. Then it is written, all errors were corrected and the trial balance totals agreed. Okay, right? And then it is written, what were the trial balance totals after the correction of errors? Okay. To find the totals after the correction of errors, we'll note down both of these debit and credit totals here, right? Error number 1 is written, the discount received account balance of $500 was listed in the debit column of the trial balance. Discount received is an income account, so it should have been on the credit side of the trial balance, but it was entered on the debit side. To rectify this, we will subtract it from the debit total of the trial balance and add it to the credit total, right? Error number 2 is written, the returns outwards accounts balance of $250 was omitted from the trial balance. Returns outwards are actually the purchases returns, and they were not included in the trial balance at all. Since they should have been on the credit side, we will add them to the credit side and total it. However, this error does not concern the debit side of the trial balance, so we will leave its total unchanged for now. Okay. Error number 3 is written, the debit column of the trial balance was overcast by $3,750. Okay. Overcast means the total was mistakenly written as higher. To correct this, we subtract the amount that was overcast from the debit side. This error does not concern the credit side of the trial balance, so we will leave its total unchanged for now. And see, the debit and the credit side totals have become equal. And this amount of $40,750 matches with option B. So the correct option is option B. I trust that came across clearly.